Hey guys, here I'm back with another video. So this is our sixth JavaScript mini project. This one is loan calculator. So basically what we're gonna do, we have HTML CSS already set up. Now we need to capture the IDs from HTML. So we declare basically 5 variables for different IDs, one for calculate button and the other for loan amount, interest rate, loan term and result. We gonna add event listener for calculate button click functionality, and what this function does is that it will basically calculate the loan amount. So in order to calculate a loan, first we have to calculate the rate year to month, and this is the formula. And finally we will print the result on the page using inner HTML. And that's it. That's a simple program we just did in JavaScript to calculate loan amount.